Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn about how to create ABC ID using Digilocker using your Aadhaar number. This student doesn't have his Digilocker account, so I'll go to digilocker.gov.in to, this is the website you can see, to create his Digilocker account and his ABC ID for this video. So let me click here and you can see this is your home screen. Right hand side login register is there. Click on login register and here you have to write your mobile number. So now an OTP will come to the registered number, this number that I have he has sent. OTP is there. Now let me verify it. So I have put his Aadhaar number. Now I'll get a OTP again. So I have put the OTP that the student received for his Aadhaar verification. Let me verify. So there we go. Now we have, okay, so we have to create a 6-digit security pin. Let me create one for him. And we are inside the Digilocker. So this is the home screen. It's straight away asking you become part of Academic Bank of Credit, Aadhaar or ABC ecosystem. So let's get started now. Okay, this issue is coming since yesterday. I don't know why, but forget about it. We will simply go to search document. Here we will write ABC. See, very simple, and search. And you see this Academic Bank of Credit Delhi appears. Click on this one. And click on this Aadhaar ID. So the name appears, the date of birth appears, gender appears, identity value, value can be your roll number, registration number, enrollment number, new admission number, or none also. So let me put roll number. So I put his roll number, then admission year is 2025 because it's a first semester, and university will be NORTH, and put a dash, then it will come directly. Oh, I didn't sign. So type NORTH North dash. If you type North dash, straight away Northeastern University will appear. This is only for NEHU students. So if you are from another university, you can choose as per the name. Okay. So let me choose Northeastern Hill University for this kid, and we are done. So name, date of birth, gender, ID value, roll number 2025, and NEHU. Simply click on Get Document now. There you go. Your request has been submitted. Please wait for confirmation from the issuer. And there you go, we are done. So we have Aadhaar ID also in his Digilocker. So this fellow simply have to now download this Digilocker app from the Play Store or wherever you want. Then log in with your Aadhaar number or phone number with the pin that was given to him, and then he can access anything, his Aadhaar information also, Aadhaar information also, and there are thousands of other documents that can be just search and you'll see it. Okay, so let me open this one for him. If I click on it, here you can see that's his Digilocker, that's his Aadhaar ID. So I will not show you the number. This is how it looks like an Aadhaar card only. It has a this QR scanner. Aadhaar number is here. This number is important. Okay. So this you can print also. No need to print it, up to you. But if your college or university asks for your ABC bank credit, give this number or this card. Do not give your bank details. Okay. So that's it, we are done. He can simply download or print also. It's all up to you. It's there in a Digilocker. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you have any problem, kindly comment and share it. Thank you.